All right, we're here in my kitchen, and as you can see, we have a small kitchen table, so if you've got limited space, this is a great project we can do right here on the kitchen table. Step one is gonna be to pick a cool container. So we're talking about a kitchen. We've got a muffin tin that we just poked some holes into, or a banana bread loaf pan, you can use that. We found some cool pieces from a grinder that can be used, and these already have holes in them, good drainage. You just need a container to collect the water when you water. Step two is gonna be to find good soil. So we've got here our Miracle-Gro soil that's blended specifically for succulents. Then we're just gonna pull our succulents out of their pots, get them into their containers, and make sure that they get the right care and maintenance. Let's get started planting our succulent garden. Okay, so step one, we've picked a really cool container that we're gonna use. For step two, you're using a good soil, and you're putting in about, let's say halfway up on the pot, on your container. Fill it up as much as you think you need based on how deep your plant is when it's coming out of its original container. For step three, we're gonna pull our succulents out of their original container. We're gonna loosen up the roots a bit, waking up the roots, and then tucking them into your soil. Once you've got the right height and the right amount of soil, just press them down into the container so that they're really stable. Okay, so we planted a couple of straightforward versions in our pie tins, but this is something a little different. These guys are actually quite decorative, so we want to raise them up in their drainage container so we can see some of that decorative design. And we're just going to use either a pebble or a marble, or in this case, a beach glass. We're just going to line the base of the tin with this just to give them some height. You can raise these guys as high as you want in the container, but we're gonna try to keep them up high so you can really see the decorative nature. You can use marbles, glass chunks, anything that works for you. Gardeners are often focused on sustainability, so we're really excited to be able to use beach glass because we're recycling glass. This is just broken bottles that have been weathered by sand and wind and rain. So we've raised them up so you can see the trim in here. And then you have the choice of either filling in with more of the same, or you could use something different like pebbles. And there we have a nice decorative nature for a couple of very stunning succulents. And we can put this anywhere around the house and even take it outside. So here we have our succulent gardens. We're so excited about the textures and the colors. You can mix and match these plants. You can put similar ones together or different colors together and different textures together. You really have unlimited possibilities here. We're also gonna make sure that these guys get on a regular feeding schedule in about a month. So for projects just like this one and so many more, join us at Gardeneers.com.